Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to create or generate a QR code using Adobe InDesign or qrfi.com, which is my recommended way online. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and we're going to start with this little plugin right here, which is qrfi.com. So the cool thing about this is it's completely free, and it allows you to embed a code, or a QR code rather, onto a different onto a variety of file formats, being a PDF, a menu, an MP3 file, a website redirect, a video, and so on and so forth. So the possibilities are pretty much endless. So this one is completely free online, and all you have to do is register for an account, and it doesn't require you to pay for anything. It'll cost you nothing, is what I'm saying, and it's pretty cool because you actually get to configure your QR code in a variety of manners, or ways, I should say. So if I were to slap on a QR code to, let's say, a Microsoft meeting or a Microsoft Teams meeting, I would select website like so. And for example, I would paste the link right here for your website URL and configure the statistics for it. Like for example, I want to limit how many scans it's going to take before the link expires. So this way, it wouldn't redirect them to this URL right here. And if you click on next, you can actually configure how you want it to look. So it could be, you could add a little design to it, like it's on a dinner plate, or you could add a little chef hat to it. Or if you want to keep in theme, then you could just go for the normal frame, the standard one, and select the QR code style. So you could turn it into hearts, or you could add it, you can make it look like this. So that's pretty cool. But I'm just gonna go for the standard one, which is squares. Add the layout to change the layout to it. So like the border style, the center style. So you can see the little preview right here. And yeah, that's basically it. So it's pretty cool. Now, if you guys were to go with the InDesign route, here's what it would look like. So it's pretty cool. Simply select the QR code object from the insert image tab. So show you guys what I mean. Here's what it looks like. So when you insert an object like so, you want to select a generate QR code. It's going to come out like this, and you can actually select the entire thing. So you can highlight it, and then you can embed a code into it, as you can see here. So under data, you would insert the code or insert QR code, and that'd be it. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So yeah, thank you for watching. We hope that this helped you out. If you guys want to show your support to the channel, you can do so by subscribing. So yeah, thank you for watching once again, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.